बेस ज्यादा होगा तो अल्कलोसिस हो जाएगा. So base will be low. How will CO2 compensate? CO2 is an acid. It sees कि body में acidosis चल रहा है. Will CO2 increase? It will go down. As an acid, उसका duty है to go down, isn't it? Metabolic alkalosis means base is high or low? High. So as a acid, what is duty of CO2? To increase. So CO2 will increase. Understanding? Come to respiratory acidosis. CO2 is high or low? Acid is high. So as a base, what is the duty of bicarb to compensate? It will have to increase because body में है acidosis. Alkalosis है, so CO2 has to be high or low? Low. CO2 low है इसीलिए alkalosis हुआ. So as a bicarb, how will you compensate if I am a base and body has alkalosis? I will reduce. So that's all you have to do. इसमें कुछ memorize करना पड़ा, कुछ memorize नहीं करना. Let's see if MCQs बन रहे हैं या नहीं. Look at this question and tell me answer. Enough time? Okay, baby steps as I said. pH is high or low? Low है 7.4 से, so acidosis या alkalosis? Can I just rule out two options? There is acidosis. So, अगर PCO2, which is acid, is low, can it be respiratory acidosis? It can't. So, it has to be metabolic acidosis. Does this make sense? So, if body has metabolic acidosis, what is the role of CO2 as an acid? It's to go down, and that's why it's down. Normal was 40, it is 35. Understood this? Everybody try one more.